guys, it's me, Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy, This Old Shack series. Many of you have been following along for a long time. My partner and I bought a 1929 extreme uninhabitable fixer-upper for $20,000, and we've been working on her for over a year to get her up to the point of certificate of habitability, beautiful place for us to come and live. Many of you have been asking if I will be sharing the total cost of this project. So we put $20,000 in, and what is the cost of the renovations all said and done? I have kept meticulous records because YouTube has always been a part of this journey for me, and me sending the messages I believe so strongly about out into the universe for other people to get is a part of this journey. So I have kept every penny of what's gone into this house for renovations, and I will absolutely be sharing with you exactly what it costs to buy the house and what it costs to renovate the house. So I will not be sharing that video until after we get our final inspection and a certificate of habitability, because once we have the final inspection, which FYI, my loose goal is to have the final inspection within the next 7 days from when I'm filming this video. So we get that. At the final inspection, different things may pop up. We have to maybe have more work done. We gotta wait and see, right? So after we actually get this house, that's good, girl. After we actually get this house legally habitable, then I will work on that video. Will I have that video up right away? Probably not, because I have 2 children, a partner, I'm pregnant, and I am then going to have to move into this house from our rental. So I'm probably going to be a little busy right after we do get that certificate of habitability. But I am absolutely committed to the video catalog that is This Old Shack, because I want to have a really strong body of work from beginning to end of the content I have created to send forth my message that you can live debt free. So the This Old Shack collection here on my WayCrunchy YouTube channel is going to be from beginning to end. Can you save $10,000? Do you have a partner who can save $10,000? You know, in our area, it used to be you might could get a fixer-upper for like $14,000, but now $20,000 is absolutely the bottom, just with how real estate has gone. So from saving up to buy the bottom of the shelf house, and then putting your time and your money and your income as it comes in into the house for however long it takes, I want to show y'all really what that really looks like and really what that really costs. And I want to send the message that so many of you could do this too, if that's what you want to do. Many videos are coming. Big end of story capstone videos, the before and after of every room, the bottom dollar of what did it cost to buy it and what did it cost to renovate it, looking back what the experience has been like, not just for me but for my partner, for my kids. And so yeah, we've got really, I think, the best of the This Old Shack content is to come. This afternoon, my daughter and I are over here just working on a few things. It's beautiful weather, and I mostly just wanted to get her outside before she has to go back to school, because winter break is almost over for her. So she's doing some yard work, which she loves to trim. She is trimming away all the old crunchy dead annuals that were in this upper garden. I'm just continuing clean up from the drywall fiasco, maybe get started on some more joint compound, sanding, priming, painting, cleaning, all that stuff. Alright, so look, we got light fixture number 1, light fixture number 2. If I go ahead and get painted around where those light fixtures are going to go, then I can go back and finish painting the rest of the ceiling anytime. But I could go ahead and get those light fixtures installed, which I'll probably ask my dad if he'll do that. So that's primer. So that's primer, y'all. Let's primer all over that. And we'll pop some ceiling white up in the future. Hopefully the immediate future. Let me get primer up on this one. All right, so I have rounded up. Today's kind of just like an extra bonus day getting started. Then after the muskrats go back to school, I'm working full time. What? You want to paint? I don't think we're going to paint today. But this is the bold yellow color, and I got at least half a gallon left in here. And then what I did was I underpainted with this light yellow, and then I did the top gold with a paintbrush, and it's a little bit translucent, so it's a whole effect in here. So I've got plenty of my 2 yellows for the living room wall. So about to see what this living room looks like with 4 completed walls soon. Now, y'all just saw me go through and do more joint compound in different places, exposed nail heads, etc. on here. And then it is going to need some sanding. But I have so much of the underpainted pale yellow that I'm probably going to use that as primer and paint. So what I'm going to do right now is like anywhere there's writing on the drywall, little X's, pencil marks, I'm going to put a little of the primer on there. And then this joint compound's going to dry, this primer's going to dry. I can get over here tomorrow, I can sand, and I can get that light yellow on the wall. So y'all may notice that I'm doing some things that are not part of final inspection, and final inspection is the goal. But for example, I'm getting the ceiling ready to put up the light fixtures. I don't put up light fixtures. I'm a little scared of electricity. So I'm getting that ready for my dad to come and do, which he's not going to come do this evening. So that's ready. We have to buy a fire extinguisher. I have delegated that to John, so hopefully he'll have the fire extinguisher for me. I have to put up some little switch plates, which I'll get like these things. All of these have to be covered. All outlets and switches have to be covered. There's a few little gaps in the wall. All the walls and ceilings have to be closed in. So I feel totally comfortable with just working on this throughout this week and not really worrying too much about only doing what's crucial for final inspection, because I'm kind of doing things that are crucial for us to move in to the house, which comes later. So it's not like it's gonna get us moved in any sooner if I get the inspection 2 days sooner. I'm just giving myself this week to get ready for the final inspection and get ready for moving in. This back wall of the beautiful living room is going to be ready to get that first coat of light yellow, and I can't believe it. So ready for this living room to be cozy and lived in. Y'all, my leaf gourd experiment is not going well. They're all molding. They're all molding. I should have skinned them before I tried to dry them. Some of them dried okay. I'm going to get some loofahs, but not like I wish I would have, because a lot of them I'm losing to mold. Mold. Y'all, I didn't have a lot of time for the loofah experiment this year, so I guess I'm glad we got something at all done, even though a lot of them are molded. Good morning, y'all. Another day. The next day. Y'all, winter break. Holiday season is officially over. Both my children go to school now. My son, formerly homeschooled, he's in school now. They're all in school, except for the one in my belly. And today is nice. It's weird to be all, John's back to work with his full-time job. And it's like lovely to be by myself. But also I had to wake up early, which I did not like. Early wake up is what I usually do, and I love it. But for some reason with my pregnancy, it's not compatible. I feel like crap when I wake up. And so anyway, I had to wake up early, and then now I'm having to do our big normal grocery shopping trip. And it's going to be so nice to get back to our regular diet, our regular planned meal plans, big grocery shopping trips, so we don't go that often. Over the holiday break, I didn't do my big grocery shopping trips. We had so much drama with heat and pipes and freeze. And then we were going to so many different places for feasting, holiday feasting. So it was a lot of leftovers, a lot of eating at different people's houses. And I'm really excited to get back to it. But also, I'm tired. I don't want to wake up early in the morning. And today going grocery shopping just feels like a big old slog. And then I have to do it. I have to do it. We need the food, and we need to get back on like our regularly scheduled diets. But I'm tired, and I don't want to do the big haul of groceries. And then what I really want to be doing right now is painting that wall yellow. Anyway, I'll get over to the house later today. Back to the grind. Gotta hit the Lowe's before I head to the house and get to work. Not having as much work time as I want today. Tomorrow should be a good work day. Downstairs in the office, I'm finally getting some stuff done at the house. We need a switch plate here. So many little tiny to-do things that I just gotta start knocking them off one by one. I did have to buy these. I normally buy these from the Habitat Restore for like 10 cents. But they don't come with screws usually when you get them from the Restore. The screws aren't that expensive. It's definitely cheaper to get them from the Restore. But sometimes it's hard to find the double plates. Definitely hard to find the triple plates. So I had to pick these up from Lowe's just because I want to get inspected this week. plain white metal. That'll do. Y'all don't even know. I'm getting so excited to do a big reveal of the living room. Like, before we get the final inspection or anything, like in like this week, like it's gonna be big reveal moment in the living room. I realized, you know, after I get that wall done, I've already got the couch in there, and I've got art and furniture and rugs, and it's almost time for the big reveal of the living room, and I cannot wait. I hope y'all are on the edge of your seats. That's coming up. That's coming up in the very near future. The big reveal of the living room.